In Mvuma, there lived a humble farmer named Tim. Tim had always been content with what he had, despite owning only a small plot of land and a modest home. Every day, Tim worked tirelessly in his fields, sowing seeds of hope and harvesting the fruits of his labor. Despite the challenges he faced, he remained grateful for the blessings life had bestowed upon him. One evening, as Tim sat down to share a simple meal with his family, his youngest son Tapua looked up at him with curious eyes. Tim then shared with his family the story of his own childhood, growing up in poverty with barely enough to eat. Tim's words resonated deeply with his family, and they began to appreciate the abundance in their lives, no matter how small it may seem. From that day forward, Tim and his family lived each day with gratitude in their hearts, cherishing the simple joys of life and finding happiness in the little things. And as the sun dipped below the horizon, they knew that no matter how little they had, they were richer than they could ever imagine. So remember, my friends, in a world where abundance may seem out of reach, be grateful for the blessings you do have. For indeed, half a loaf is better than nothing.